Hello everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. Today, we're going to show you how to change your YouTube channel handle right from your phone. Changing your YouTube channel handle can make it easier for others to find your channel, whether you're rebranding, fixing an old handle, or just looking for a fresh start. This tutorial will walk you through it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app and make sure you're logged into the right account. Once inside, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner and select your channel or view channel from the menu that appears. On your channel page, look for the edit button or the pencil icon and tap it. This will take you to settings where you can update your channel details. Scroll down until you find the handle section, tap it and type in your new handle. Keep in mind that the handle must be unique. If the handle you want is already taken, YouTube will let you know, so you may need to adjust it until it's available. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handle can be changed twice every 14 days. Once you've entered a new, unique handle that you're happy with, tap Save to confirm your changes. And that's it. You've successfully updated your YouTube channel's handle. Quick and easy, right?
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.